not a graphic designer, but as someone who makes a lot of YouTube videos, I have to equally make a lot of thumbnails and logos and stuff like that. And I've been using one program to do it. Well, it's sort of a freemium program because I'm intimidated by things like Photoshop. I use PIXLR, and I'm going to show you how easy it is if you have no sort of graphic design knowledge or skill, whatever it is, to pick up. But equally, if you do have graphic design skills, then how versatile it is with all the tools. I'm going to show you how quickly you can make something like this. So without further ado, let's rock and roll. I've been using PIXLR now for years, making my thumbnails and logos and whatnot. And I just find it really easy and versatile. And initially it was just kind of one sort of simple thing, but now they have a whole batch of tools which can all integrate kind of a more epic photo editor, so much more complex if you're used to Photoshop and stuff like that. PIXLR, super quick design place. Photo Mash, a quick way to make, I don't know, social media icons and things like that. You'll see these sort of templates here, and you just kind of put your own picture in and stuff like that. Then they've got background removal, super quick auto AI background removal. This tool is also built into the Design Express. And then batch editor. You can just import a load of photographs that you need work to do and then apply design changes to a whole raft of photos that you kind of import here super simply. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to dive in basically to PIXLR X, which is kind of the basic place. So it's a photo editor and template designer basically. And as you can see, if I just click here, because it's in the cloud, it remembers, and I kind of log on onto my own account. It remembers all the work I've done. You can see I've been working all my thumbnails here. I've been working on logo ideas, picture concepts, lots of different things, been removing backgrounds, all of that. And you can do that all within PIXLR super easy. But if you're super lazy and you're seeking inspiration, you don't know where to start with a thumbnail or a Facebook story or a cover, they have all these templates down the side here. Yeah. So Instagram post idea templates with animations as well. So you've got animations built in and all of that. You can see the little things moving. So the little things kind of swing in. So they've got animations built in. If you want to make a kind of a moving animated Instagram post, then you've got loads and loads of ideas. There's loads of them here. Just find your style that you want, and then you can go in and start making changes. And that's what we're going to do. So we're going to go for YouTube thumbnail here. Let's make a quick YouTube thumbnail for this video. So you can see there's lots of different themes here, you know, vlogging holiday themes, beauty tips, fitness, decoration there. I mean, you don't have to, you just go just find something aesthetically that you like, you know, yoga, training videos, gaming thumbnails, workout tips for beginners. Doesn't mean, you know, you might say, actually, this looks really good for my thumbnail. It's not about workouts, but this would do the job. Let's load some more. They have, if you can subscribe to, if you subscribe to PIXLR, you get access to more thumbnails and stuff like that. Look, gaming blogger, put your picture in there if you want. Makeup hacks. Let's find something that there's loads of them, loads and loads. So let's find something that we really like. So I like this one here. Okay. So we're just going to go here, 1 hour house music playlist. But I'm going to change it to how to edit in PIXLR. So you can just click on any of these and then it knows it's a text and you can go in. So we're going to put here like, you know, super easy in the text. Yeah, so you click on the text box, you can change the fonts. They have loads of fonts here. And again, see these little crowns. If you a regular subscriber like I am, then you get access to even more fonts. They've got loads and loads of choices and stuff like that. Let's just undo that. Just keep that font there. You can change it. Let's call it make. And then this one we'll call YouTube thumbnails. Yeah, let's call that thumbnails. And you can adjust the size and all of that if you need to in here, the opacity. You've got curved, warp. You can add background. You can add a line around the writing, a shadow, all of that. We're not going to do any of that because we're just being lazy today and we're just using the template. So next thing we want to do, so super easy, make YouTube thumbnails. Okay. Next thing we want to do is we want to replace this lovely lady here, and there seems to be two black and white images of her that they're using here for this effect. So we need to import me. So let's go over here, add an element. Okay, now I already have a load of transparencies of me, but say you don't have a transparency. Let's just, for example, import, I don't know, a silly photograph of me here. Okay. Now I'm just using my scroll wheel to scroll out because it's a massive picture. Now look, actually, you see there, we're changing all the dimensions. We don't want to do that. So if we go up to arrange and style, in fact, let's just get rid of that, undo, put that right. And then we put transform, and then we're just going to hit that little padlock here. And that just keeps the dimensions equal when you're reducing it. Okay. And then of course, the second thing, let's go back in here, is obviously we want to get rid of the background. Now I'm going to probably use something else, but I'm just going to show you how we get rid of the background. Okay, so if we go here, use the scissors cutout, and you can use a magic cutout. There's a draw cutout, there's a lasso cutout, shape cutout. We're not going to go any with that. We're going to just hit AI cutout. Does its magic. Boom, there we are. It's cut out. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to select that again. Just make it a bit bigger. I just want it to sort of be about the same size as her. She's got a lot of hair going up there. Okay, we're going to put it like that. Now, the next thing I notice is that she's black and white. So let's go here to adjust and filter. And up here, we got black and white. Boom. And then we need two of them. So let's just duplicate this. So we go to the layer in the layer section on the side here. Go down to here, duplicate layer. So now we've got two. Oh, we need to make him black and white. Boom. Let's hit the black and white again. He's black and white. Now I want to basically copy the style that they've done with this. I'm just going to click on her, the three dots on her picture, and it says blend mode multiply. And I think it's going to say the same on this other one. I don't really know what that means, but we're going to go with it. Multiply. Okay. So let's apply that to the same here. I basically, before I do that, you can move these pictures anywhere, but down this side in the layers. But I've put them above where she is, and we're going to get rid of her actually. So for now, I'm just going to say invisible, but you can just delete it if you want it, and click on this one, put invisible, right? And then we need to do the blending magic. So here we go, blend mode, multiply, just like they had there. Okay, and then same with this one, blend mode, multiply, just like that one. And there we go. You can see it's sort of gone into that kind of way that sort of blended all these layers into me. I'm just going to select this picture. I think I want to make him a bit bigger now. Now I've seen it. Whoops. Just select him, and then we're just going to drag him. Oh, we have to do both, don't we? Okay, that's interesting. So what you can do is go control that, select them both at the same time, and now I can move both pictures at the same time, which is quite cool. I'm glad I'm wearing a kind of the right sort of t-shirt there, this sort of yellowish writing. Well, actually, it comes down. Now, I want to be able to say how I made this. So make YouTube thumbnails, PIXLR. So let's add in the PIXLR logo. So I've got the PIXLR logo here. Boom. There it is. Again, let's just reduce it a bit. But let's just move me down a bit. Again, I have to select both of the pictures. Remember, there's two of me there. There we are. Just move that down. And then we go back to this PIXLR. Let's put it there. And I always love an arrow in a YouTube video. So let's just add an arrow. They've got their own arrows. Here you can add different types of arrows here. View all arrows. Why don't we add one of their arrows? Why don't we add a yellow one? Okay, so there's the yellow one. Let's just make that smaller. Let's twist it. Let's put it there. Make that a little bit smaller. There we go. Actually, I'm nice arrow it is. I don't like that. I'm going to import an arrow. I prefer the classic YouTube arrow, which I've already got here. Let's put that in. Let's reduce its size. It's facing the wrong way. That's fine. Click on that. We go up to arrange. Let's flip it this way. Is it that way? Let's flip it that way. There we go. Flip it that way. Let's just tip it over by grabbing the little circle at the top. Let's just adjust it. There we are. Super easy. Make your YouTube thumbnails and then you save it as a JPEG. And there we go. There is a cool thumbnail that's been already designed for you, really. Or if you really know your way around photo editing kind of software and graphic software, you can create this yourself. It gives you the tools. But if you're lazy like me, just go with a template and boom, there you go. So I hope you found that useful. I hope you found it interesting. A super quick, easy way to make YouTube thumbnails or any social media kind of graphics using existing templates and using the tools they've got. I'll do some more videos like this to show you how you can get more complicated using other parts of PIXLR. But for now, as you see, super easy, create your own thumbnails and graphics. So I hope you found it useful. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, then please hit the likes because I like it. YouTube likes it and it helps people like you find content like this. And if you are new here, do me the great honor, hit that subscribe button, toggle that notification bell, and that way you know when I go live with content like this. Thanks for your time. Cheers.